Hey everyone, welcome to Hau Chic. So today I have an unboxing for you. I have an unboxing from Yves Saint Laurent. It was just on a whim that me and Mum were just walking in Selfridges and we just decided just to walk around, enjoy ourselves. And then we came across Yves Saint Laurent and we just ended up making a purchase there. Today I'll just be unboxing this and it's going to be a short but sweet video and hope you enjoy this. So the box comes like this. It's a tiny box, just fits the bag. It is a bag. And it's got this like textured, fabric-y kind of material on here. Let's just open it up. Comes with a dust bag. And then let's take this out. And it has the authenticity card, and also I kept the receipt in there too, just to have a good keepsake of that. So in this dust bag, we have the drawstring, which you can keep the bag nice and secure and also keep it away from any dust. But you know how I store my bags. I like to leave them open, but on top of the dust bag. So you would be surprised at what color I got this in, because it's not the usual colors that I would go for, but at the same time, it is a classic. I think most of my friends, when they saw this, it's quite a shocking color for me. This is a bag that I am going to be sharing with my mom and also my sisters, which is why this color is more relevant. And for me, it still suits my wardrobe, but it's just not something that I usually wear. So here we go, and this is it. This is the YSL envelope bag, and it's super cute. It's the wallet on chain size, so it's actually quite small, but it's very compact. You can fit your phone in here. So just for size references, this is my OnePlus 7T Pro. It's quite a big phone and it just fits inside perfectly. It's more of a essentials kind of bag. You wouldn't carry like your everyday big essentials. It's more like your phone, your wallet and keys and maybe a lipstick. So it's a nice evening bag. It's got this chevron-like detailing on here. And it's just got this caviar appearance of the leather. And it's just reminiscent of the Chanel caviar leather. As you can see, it's very textured. And at the center, you have the YSL logo, which I think is beautiful because it just sparkles as soon as you wear this. And inside, you open her up, you have the little chain present. And I love this chain because it's gold and it matches the YSL logo, but also as you walk, this just sparkles every time you walk, and I just think this is absolutely gorgeous. It's perfect for an evening out, and also if you just want to wear this every day, it's suitable for that. And then if you look inside, then you have the zipper pocket and also the card holders at the back, and inside I would fit my phone in there, and then probably like my main essentials that I want to keep more secure, I'd put it in the zipper pocket, such as cash or maybe your very detailed cards that you want to protect. I'd keep that in the zipper pocket. On the sides, we have envelope folding here. So it's actually quite a narrow bag, and on both sides you would see the same. And on the base, it actually envelopes a little bit inside. So it's a very compact bag, but I think for a bag of this size and such a well-known brand, this is actually a really good price for what it's worth. So this was £850, and I think right now is the best time to buy this because I do foresee YSL becoming really big in the future. I reckon that the price would double in the next few months or years. Easily with this bag. So right now it's a good time to invest. This is a really nice casual bag that I can share with my family, and it's just perfect. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me. This is a very short but very nice unboxing for you to look at, and I hope that this may be one of the bags that you could purchase in the future because it's an up-and-coming really good investment. I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel, and if you just want to chat to me anything beauty and fashion, then please do message me on Instagram at Hau Chic. And finally, I give you all of my hugs and my love. Bye!